Several of you may remember this. This is my Lone Star Cobra. Now, this is not the way Lone Star sent it out. Someone did this to the car, and they combined some fiberglass, some wood, and some sheet metal for the transmission hump and the e-brake hump. Well, the wood's bad. Sat outside for a while, so I cut around the edges. Let's see what's behind door number 2, Monty. Well, a little bit of water damage, a little bit of metal work. Well, now we got to clean that up. Fiberglass part is really solid. Now I got a choice of extending the fiberglass work down or kind of tidy up the sheet metal and make it my own, just as long as all the framework fits underneath. So I'm going to try and mount it to the body before I change too much. Let me know what you think in the comments. I know it's ugly. I know it's ugly. Anyway, thanks for checking out this channel. Thanks for following me if you don't mind. Appreciate it.